is this guy? Hey, bro. Yo, who are you? What are you doing? Hey, bro, you just took a picture of us. Get back here. Who the fuck is this guy? Arkansas DoorDash motherfucker? Motherfucker. What's this fucking VIN number? Bitch. Fucking VIN number, motherfucker. Fucking take a picture of my motherfucking family, motherfucker. Fuck kind of... Man, we got thefts in this area, bro. You gonna come take pictures, bro? Fucking ignore me, motherfucker. What you got going on, bro? Like, what you got going on?
Well, I'll do whatever the fuck I want, first of all.
But why were you taking pictures, bro? That's fine. That's fine. Like, you take pictures, but like, who are you? What were you doing?
Maybe get off the meth.
Me? Meth? Are you kidding me, bro? Bro, I'm not on meth. Are you? Are you? Are you? I don't want you in my town, bro, if you're gonna be like this.
Get the fuck away from me.
I don't want you in my town if you're gonna be like this.
I'm gonna be like this right now.
Stop, bro. Who are you?
Go back to where you belong.
Who are you? Who are you, man? Fucker, what are you doing in my town like this?
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm calling the police right now.
Alright, that's fine. You just came at me aggressively.
Yeah,
I just recorded the whole thing.
Aggressively. So 911.
So don't come to our house and fucking take pictures.
I have a right to be here.
And don't lash
Get the
out.
fuck away from me.
No, dude. You're not doing business here anymore.
Get the fuck away.
You're not welcome here.
You're not welcome here.
You're not welcome here, bro.
I live here, fuckface.
No, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I was born and raised here, fool.
Oh my god, you're a fucking crackhead.
Are you on crack? Look at you, bro.
Yeah, because you have me anxious. You just...
Why did you just take a picture of my family? Answer that.
Actually...
Answer that. This fool. Drive off. Leave. Leave, dude. You're not problems. You need to leave. I'm not gonna go to jail. You're on drugs, dude. You're on fucking drugs or something, bro. You need to leave, man. You have no right to be here, bro. Being hostile. There's kids and shit here. And there's been a lot of thefts in this area. And you fucking driving around taking pictures and shit. You can drive off. You can fucking leave. You can leave right now. You can drive off. No one's stopping you, bro. I know you're tweaking balls, bro. You're gonna get drug and alcohol tested when the police get here, you fucking tweaker. You're gonna get, dude, you're gonna get arrested for DUI. I can see it in your eyes. They got DoorDash here, high on drugs. Like, this dude needs to leave, bro. You're not welcome here. I don't need you around these kids, bro. I don't care who you work for, what rights you think you got, bro. Just leave. You need to leave now. Exit the property. You need to leave. Just go, bro. Are you the person that's breaking into cars? You're the only one high out of your mind and you're operating a vehicle. Call me a crackhead. I work hard every day. Don't come here disrespecting people, bro. Don't come here disrespectful, calling people names and shit, taking pictures of people's houses.
Sir, the police are on the way.
That's fine. You need to leave. Bro, I don't want you here, bro. I don't know who you are. I don't know why you're taking pictures of my kids and shit. Like, what the fuck? I don't know what kind of creeper shit you're on, bro. Don't be like you're fucking plotting out our houses and shit. Like, why are you taking pictures if you're delivering food? Why did you, like, do that? You need to leave, bro. Yeah, I'm armed, you fucking idiot. Of course I'm fucking armed. You need to fucking leave, bro. Just drive off. I already got your tags. I already got your VIN number, bro. Now I'm about to get your identity. Does that fucking license plate come with this vehicle? It's a 2010 license plate. You need to leave. Drive off. No one's stopping you, bro. Nobody's stopping you from leaving. You're not welcome here. We've had break-ins here. We've had a bunch of weird shit, and you're doing some weird shit, bro. I ain't gonna stand for it. I was born and raised here. You say you're from here, bro? Then you would already know who I am. Dude, fucking leave, dude. Tell him to bring the fucking K9 unit. Tell him to bring the fucking K9 dog so he can find your little tweak shit, bro. I don't know what the fuck you're doing, though. And you're gonna be hostile? Like, what's wrong with you? You're the one that's got the screws loose, boo. What's wrong with you? Are you upset? I could talk to you. Do you have a problem with me? Yeah? Alright. Is me personally? Alright. Yeah, I don't want you around here, bro. Bro, you're being hostile and shit. If you're just delivering food...
Listen,
if you're
you
just
have no control over this situation.
Bro, if you're just delivering food, why are you taking pictures of
I didn't take a
kids?
picture of you.
Why are you taking pictures of kids? Why are you operating a fucking vehicle with a damn telephone? There's kids and shit that ride bikes here, bro.
What are you fucking talking about?
You was on your phone clear as day, bro. That's what pissed me off more than anything.
The stupidest person I've ever
Stupidest?
met.
I'm the stupidest person? Alright, bro. What kind of weird shit you got on your phone? Yeah, exactly. I don't know why you gotta make things harder for yourself, bro. Yeah, I'm about to get your identity, bro. I'm about to get your identity anyway. I'm about to find out who you are.
You want to look in the trunk too?
I'm not searching you, man. I already said you can leave.
Put you inside it and
Bro.
drive around.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna put me inside your trunk?
If you want to see it, I'm just asking.
Okay, dude. You should shut off the vehicle if the cops are coming.
Shut the fuck up and wait for the police.
You should probably shut off the vehicle, dude. Yeah. Like, you want to make threats about kidnapping?
I didn't make a
Like,
threat.
you want to
I
make
said
threats
you wanna
about
go for a
kidnapping?
ride,
Are you kidding
and
me?
I told you you're a fucking
Dude,
idiot.
you want to make threats about kidnapping, bro?
I didn't kid.
Do you think this shit's a
said that.
game?
I said, do you want to get in my truck and go for a ride? I asked you. That's not a threat.
What's wrong, man?
That's asking
What's
you if you
wrong?
want to go for a
I'll
ride.
delete all this shit. I don't
give a fuck
I don't
what
have,
you do.
bro.
You're stupid.
I don't
fucking
have social
redneck.
media. I don't have social media.
You're fucking
I'm not gonna
stupid.
post this shit. I'm not gonna embarrass you or anything. We're waiting for the cops. We're waiting for the cops. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Dude wanted to get hostile and shit. Call me a tweaker and all this. And then fucking turn around and like fucking charge me and shit. So I'm backing away, but you know. And then he fucking was like, oh, do you want me to fucking throw you in my trunk? So, and then fucking take you for a ride and all this shit. Yeah, man, those drugs must be good though, dude. Fuck, dude. Can't even fucking change